So Harihar Jai Shri Karoli Shankar Mahadev Dham. So Karoli Shankar Mahadev Dham is now in news for very much great reasons, and it is a darbar which is now saving and rescuing mankind spiritually, mentally, physically. The science, modern science, and the people who are not able to understand it are misleading the people by not able to showcase the right pictorial or right representation of the darbar, and are spreading fake information about the darbar. In order to know about the darbar, you need to come to the darbar and have a personal experience. You stay here for a few days, you experience the energies present out here, and then you comment anything what you want to. Until and unless you have no experience, you have no right to comment negatively about anything. That is the most public media houses today are doing. Anything based on Sanatan Dharma, anything based on Vedic ideologies, and anything based on Vedic processes are always hogging negative limelight. The Karoli Shankar Mahadev Darbar is the Darbar of Puran Guru. Puran Guru in English I say complete Guru, who is present in each and every matter that you see around, and who doesn't want anything from you, who in his lifetime also has not asked anything from any people, okay, who has not laid his hands like this to feed him. That is Puran Guru. And here the Puran Guru, two Puran Guru in this Karoli Shankar Mahadev Darbar are present. One is Pujniya Shri Radha Raman Mishri Ji, and second Pujniya Guru Mata Shri Ma Kamakhya. So because of the presence of the Puran Guru, and in this Darbar which has two Puran Gurus, the Shiv and Shakti are unitedly present together in balanced form. And because Shiv and Shakti are present here, the people get treated very quickly. The people get cured very quickly. The people get rid of their diseases, suffering, pain, depression very quickly. So this is a darbar based on pure Sanatan Dharma, based on pure Vedic rituals, and it is the darbar which is functioning on the basis of Vedic prakriyas, Vedic havans, which has been carried out in India since ages. But the problem is that why now the Vedic havans and the processes are not giving effective results? Because there is no presence of Puran Guru when the Vedic havans and the processes are carried out. It is only under the blessings and umbrella of Puran Guru that any Vedic prakriyas or havan give results. And because here the Puran Guru, Shri Radha Ramanji and Shri Guru Mata Ma Kamakhya are present, the people are benefiting. What's new in that? What's so non-normal, or what's so unique in that? The Karoli Shankar Mahadev Dham is based on nature's law, and it says that there is no thing like magic that exists. Everything works according to rules of nature, and according to rules of nature only the darbar is working. Simply, where Puran Guru is there, the Puran Guru, wherever the Puran Guru is present, it brings into operation the Shiva and Shakti, and then where Shiva and Shakti are present, there naturally all the sufferings, pain, diseases, they are going to be vanished, they are going to be destructed. Now how this darbar operates, it's a very important thing. I am just giving a basic brief description. Basically, the darbar will destroy, has effectively, or it has mastered to destroy all the negative smritis or the negative memories of all the diseases, pain, sufferings that the people have. And the darbar says that any disease or pain, suffering only results when you have that memory present in you. And the majority of the human or mankind is facing problem is because of all the problems, suffering, pain, diseases they are inheriting from their ancestors in the form of their ancestral memories. Because the ancestors shares the same DNA, the ancestor is living in the form of memories of its DNA members. So all the suffering and diseases, whatever the ancestors was suffering in his lifetime, it is going to transmit to its DNA members because they share the same DNA. And this is what the Darbar says, that when you come to Darbar, the Darbar successfully destroys those ancestral memories or the memories of pain, sufferings and diseases, and the people get cured. What is new about it? What is so non-normal about this? You come to the Darbar, you bring your, it's a request, or it's not a request, even it's a challenge. You come to the Darbar, you, whatever the problems you may be facing out of your, in your family members, you come to the Darbar, you do the prakriyas, any of the prakriyas. There are 3 types of prakriyas done in the Darbar. One is Naman Prakriya. I'm going to explain all these prakriyas in the upcoming videos. One is Naman Prakriya. Second is 9-day Havan Prakriya. Third is 1-day Havan Prakriya. Now these all prakriyas are based on the time consumption they need. The most time consuming is Naman Prakriya, which is free of cost, in which arzi has to be done, and Zitain Saturdays you need to be present in the Darbar, and Amavasyas you need to be present in the Darbar, and that is a process in Naman Prakriya. It's just your devotion and commitment to the Darbar that is going to give you results. The second is 9-day Havan. It is also a process, and it includes you have to do Havans in 9 days, and it's a process I'm going to explain in the, and the most less time consuming is 1-day Havan Prakriya. All the processes are done in 1 day, strictly, very easily. Okay, all the processes are done in 1 day, and the next day the Maha Havan is given free of cost to all those people who are doing the 1-day Havan. Only around 2,000 rupees the Brahman Dakshina has to be given, otherwise the Maha Havan is free. And doing 1 day you get a huge bundle of energy. The 1-day Havan is the Havan of 10 Mahavidyas, and this 10 Mahavidyas Havan is actually giving energy because it is done under the presence of Puran Guru. And so when you gain energy of 1-day Havan and Maha Havan, you are fully loaded with energy, and whatever the sankalp you take, sankalp or the prayer you do, it comes true in the, because it's all the energy that you have gained, all the punyas that you have gained. You are getting rid of your negative energy from these Havans, and all the positive energy you are absorbing within you, and it's all that positive energy and on this all the commitment and devotion that you have when you do sankalp, your all the sankalps and the prayers, they get true. So so you can please stop misleading people about this. Any people who have problems like OCDs and PCODs, any kind of depression symptoms, pain, sufferings, uterus infections, urinary infections, any kind of infections, they get treated here based on the sankalp and commitment towards the Darbar. There is no new invention, or there is no new discovery that the Darbar is doing. It is all based on the nature's law. It is all based on the rules and regulations already there. Kindly stop misleading. I am going to come with the few more videos so that the people get aware of the Darbar. So in order to get to the Darbar, the Karoli Dham Shankar Darbar is situated, basically it is also one branch is also in Haridwar, and the main Darbar which is operating is in Karoli village of Kanpur. The address is like Manav Mandir, Lavkush Ashram, and from Ramadevi Chauraha on Sangiva Road near Koryam Police Station, you say to anyone Karoli Shankar Mahadev Dham. It is gradually gaining popularity because it is benefiting humans. So just you say that you will reach here. Come here, do the processes. It's a challenge. You do the processes and then comment Don't mislead people who really are in problem and who want to come and who want to get their problem solved physically, mentally. Don't mislead people by your by your not so called scientific explanations. The darbar is giving results, the people are benefiting. That is the proof that it is a darbar based on truth, based on the ideology of human benefit, human race, and the mankind. It has only one aim to essentially help the human race from the problems and suffering it's facing right now. Human race, and further for the mental and the inner consciousness development, the sadhana programs, the dhyan sadhana programs are carried out according to the mantra diksha and the tantra diksha, which the people take after doing all the any of the prakriyas, and you can elevate yourself at the spiritual level. You yourself will come to know how this darbar operates, but you need to give in the efforts by coming to the darbar and contributing your time and experience it. No one is saying you not to come to the darbar. Come here, experience it, see the processes, see the prakriya, see who are paid actors and who are not. There is nothing like paid anything in the darbar. All the media, fake public media houses that who are claiming that. Come to the darbar. Sitting in the AC rooms and to speak shit about the darbar, it's very easy. That's not for what you are paid, but that's what generally the modern media is doing. No one wants to deliver the right information to the human race because everyone wants fake views and just want to enjoy or have a luxurious life at the risk of human suffering. So I'm going to come with the more videos about the correlation to the Darbar. Till then, Hari Har, Jai Baba Ma.